Hi friends, welcome to Medical Tuber. Friends, today's video is the questions and answer of America's medical lab technologist exams. If you see what kind of questions comes, then today's first question is question number first. Receiving cannot accept a specimen unless it has option number first, second, third and fourth, and choose correct answer friends. And next questions is a laboratory refrigerator used to store volatile flammable liquids can hold. Option is 50 gallons, 200 gallons, 180 gallons and 120 gallons. And friends, their correct answer is option number 4, 120 gallons of glass class 1, 2 and 3A liquids. Next questions, disease incidence predicts. Option number first, how probable it is a patients will develop a disease and its etiology. And option number second, third and fourth. And friend, choose the correct answer. And this question's correct answer is option number first, how probable it is a patient will develop a disease and its etiology. And next questions, question number 4. Beer's law in spectrophotometry. Option first, use a visible spectrum from 340 nm to 500 nanometer means a opaque sample transmits 100% light, only applies in absorbance in between 0.1 and 1.0 and means a transparent sample transmits 0% light. And correct answer number third, only applies if absorbance is between 0.1 and 1.0. Next questions, naming bacteria by looking at their size and shape under the microscope and the colony morphology on media is. And option number first, second and third and fourth. Correct answer number second. OSHA allows unglobed phlebotomy only if. And friends, carefully see their correct answer. And this question is correct answer. Answer number first, both the experienced phlebotomist working in a volunteer blood donor center agrees and the phlebotomist skin is intact and the patient is cooperative. This is correct answer. Next questions, the hospital department that studies alcohol, drugs, poisons and heavy metals is serology or immunology, toxicology, cytology or endocrinology. And their correct answer is number second, toxicology. And friends, serology and immunology are other departments of biochemistry. Next questions, a hemoglobin electrophoresis result of an adult hemoglobin HbA or HbA2 means in patient has. Option number first, sickle cell anemia, second, fetal hemoglobin, third, normal hemoglobin and fourth, hemolytic anemia. Because correct answer is normal hemoglobin, and abnormal hemoglobin is HbS, HbC means hemolytic and HbF means fetals या फिर newborn babies. Next question is US law overrides the patient's right to confidentiality if the patient has a sexually transmitted disease or tuberculosis, the caregiver is likely to be infected, authorities suspected child abuse or neglect under CAPTA, and all of the above. And correct answer is, friends, all of the above is the confidentially. Next questions. Friend, this video is US America, so US law, not Indian law. Next questions. The recall rate is also known as the option number first, sensitivity, specificity, and correct answer is sensitivity. Next questions. Biochemistry usually requires red, pink and yellow blood collection tubes, lavender, light blue and black blood collection tube, green, grey and marbled serum separator tube, SST blood collection tube, and option number 4, navy, purple and brown blood collection tube, and correct answer number 3, green, grey and marbled serum separator tube, SST. Next questions. A normal kidney function study known as serum A-separate aminotransferase 5 to 40 international units per liter, amylase 56 to 190 international units per liter, alkaline phosphates 30 to 85 international milli units per ml, and 1 to creatinine ratio between 15:1 and 20:1, and is correct answer number option number 4, 1 to creatinine ratio between 15.12 50:1 and 20:1. Next questions. A newborn jaundice could be caused by all of the above: erythroblastosis fetalis, carnivorous and physiologic jaundice. Correct answer is all. Next questions. Lipid and carbohydrates and alcohol source are anions, solvents, triglyceride and cholesterol. Correct answer is triglycerol. Friends, next questions. When serum proteins indicates disease, the doctor usually follow up with protein electrophoresis, bilirubin, total protein albumin and ascites. As correct answer is, friends, all questions is over, and check the questions is correct or not. And friends, review the question. Number first is correct, question number second is correct, question number 4 is third is correct, four is correct. Friends, our all question is correct, and review and see marks our result. Total number of questions 15 and total marks of 15, and we got 15 about 15. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.